when I was a young warthog, I was about I was probably maybe 14 years old. My father showed me this guitar. He sat with me like this, and I watched him very carefully. And then he showed me the solo. It goes like this. So that's what he showed me, and I sat for days practicing that over and over and over again until I got it cold. I was holding, and he had forgotten that he showed it to me. So a few days later, he goes, "Hey, let me show you a song, son." I'm like, "All right," and he takes it and he shows me that same song. He shows it again. So I was like, "Oh, let me try. Can I try it?" You know? And he's like, "Yeah, sure." So I was like, "All right." He's like, "Whoa, let me show you the second part." I'm like, "No, let me try." Does it go like this? Does the second part go, And he was like, "What just happened?" Because when he did it, was like, I was like, over and over and over and over and over and practicing, recognizing in life what happens is when you get excited about something, you want to get started, you go and you say, "I want to be the best at this right now. And if I'm not going to be the best right now, then forget about the whole thing." But recognize, my friends, the old saying goes, slow and steady wins the race. You've got to stick at it, stay at it. If you want to make it to the top, you've got to make sure it's consistency, over and over and over. Like the Gemara says in Kedusha Daf Lamed Amud, the bottom line of it, take a look yourselves. But Rashi tells, you got to review and review and review. And God willing, if you stick at it, and before you know it, be able to rip that guitar in front of your father. Thanks and enjoy it. Peace. And he was like, "What just happened?" Because when he did it, was like, I was like,